Did you know millets are not just limited to jowar and bajra? More than 6,000 varieties of grasses together are called millets. While we are all familiar with jowar and bajra, there is a wide range of lesser known millets that need our attention. Even today, 1/3 of the world's population depend on millets as their staple. There are 13 different varieties of millets that are grown worldwide. In India alone, there are 10 different varieties of millets that are grown. These millets are further divided into two groups, major millets and minor millets. The major millets include sorghum or jowar, pearl millet or bajra, finger millet or ragi. The minor millets are smaller in size and they are grown on a smaller scale. These include foxtail millet or kakkam, little millet or kutki, barnyard millet or sanwa, kodo millet, proso millet or chena, round-top millet also known as korale. Millets were the first crop cultivated and consumed by mankind. They are naturally gluten-free, they are high in protein, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals, and are non-allergic in nature. Millets are the smart choice for a balanced diet.
Here are 5 reasons why millets should be a part of your food basket. Number 1. Millets contribute to your health. Millets are naturally gluten-free and are high in protein and dietary fiber. They are the solution to most of the lifestyle diseases. Number 2. Millets are naturally organic. Millets don't require any harmful chemicals or fertilizers for their growth. Number 3. Millets are climate resilient. Millets can grow in arid conditions as well as in heavy rainfall regions. Number 4. Millets are the only crop standing when others are not. They can withstand temperatures of 60 degrees Celsius. Number 5. Millets can be used in innovative ways in your meals. You will be surprised to know that millets can be used in various recipes from breakfast to desserts and can add a variety to your diet.
How to include millets in your diet? We know millets are under the spotlight because they are healthy, they are environmental friendly and climate resistant. The United Nations has declared the year 2023 as a year of millets. If you are someone who is yet to start your millet journey, then here are a few ways in which you can include millets in your diet. First, replace your wheat roti with a jowar roti. Jowar flour is easy to digest and it has an adaptive taste. Second, you can replace rice with little millet, also known as kutki. Little millet has higher protein, iron and dietary fiber as compared to rice. It is easy to cook little millet as you can just cook it the way you cook rice. Just remember the preparation before cooking little millet. Third and the most important point is, if you haven't introduced millets in your diet, don't replace all your meals with millets. Start gradual. Start with 1 millet at a time. Include 2 to 3 millet meals a week and then you can gradually increase the frequency. Remember, millets are healthy, gluten-free alternatives to wheat and rice. Millets were the superfoods of our ancestors and they are the superfoods of our future.
Millets are difficult to cook. Are you someone who also thinks that millets are difficult to cook? Well, that's not the case. We just need to know the right way of cooking millets. It's very simple. Before the video ends, you will learn. Wash and soak your millets for 6 to 8 hours. Cook your millets in excess of water. Different millets require different proportions of water. You can cook millets like your usual recipe. For example, if you are making a rice dish, just substitute rice with any of the millets like kodo millet, barnyard millet or little millet. If you are making a roti, then just replace wheat flour with either jowar flour or ragi flour. Use only 1 millet at a time. Don't mix 2 millets in the same recipe. Use lots of vegetables when you are cooking a millet dish. The easiest way to use millets is to use your everyday usual recipe and replace millets for rice or other grains. You can use millets to make breakfast, salads, main courses to desserts. The possibilities are endless. So remember one thing, the preparation is important more than the cooking.